SurveyCTO is the most reliable, secure, and flexible platform for offline mobile data collection. Built by researchers for researchers, SurveyCTO is designed to address many of the challenges you face every day. For example, you may be worried about human error in your data that can introduce bias and lead to inaccurate results. Enumerators, after all, have a hard job. SurveyCTO has a suite of quality control features that let you automatically sift through thousands of surveys, flag errors, and make corrections. We've built quality control best practices into the technology. If you need to design long, complex forms, SurveyCTO allows you to create the exact data collection instrument you want. Whether you're using the online form designer or spreadsheet templates. No matter the length or complexity, your forms will perform reliably on any iOS or Android device. Complex form designs require careful testing to be sure that they are error-free. SurveyCTO's Form Inspector allows you to test forms in your browser, check for errors, and make quick edits seamlessly. To save you precious time and resources spent manually exporting and formatting data for further analysis and visualization, SurveyCTO not only lets you download data pre-formatted for tools like Stata and SPSS, but you can also directly integrate SurveyCTO with external tools and databases of your choice for automatic data streaming. SurveyCTO's project management tools make it easy to scale your use as your needs change. For one hassle-free price, you get unlimited forms, devices, storage, and users, as well as 24/7 access to professional support. For researchers who are collecting sensitive information and need to protect data and respondents, SurveyCTO was built security first. You can keep your data encrypted end-to-end and make use of fine-grained user permissions to ensure that only appropriate team members can access your data and survey forms. And with SurveyCTO, getting fast, helpful support when you need it is easy. To create the most sophisticated forms and workflows and collect your highest quality data, take advantage of 24/7 access to incredibly responsive support staff with in-field research experience, extensive product documentation, and a variety of other help resources, including an online training course. And as the world shifts from personal contact due to COVID-19, SurveyCTO is responding to evolving needs by providing platform features and support materials to conduct computer-assisted telephone interviewing, or CADI. SurveyCTO's CADI Starter Kit is a multi-part guide that walks users through how to get started with phone surveying and covers things such as project considerations, hardware and service requirements, adapting survey instruments, and even tips on how to train field staff. In addition to guidance on project setup, the kit also includes 4 components needed to conduct phone interviews, such as the sample survey form, the phone dialer plugin, which allows your form to automatically dial the phone number without having to manually input numbers into a mobile device, and finally, 2 essential parts of the case management workflow, the case's dataset definition and the case's dataset records. The CADI Starter Kit also goes through more advanced workflows, like how to handle multiple call attempts and more than one phone number for a respondent, scheduling times to call back using SMS, how to store consent obtained from previous calls, and much more. To find these resources, navigate to SurveyCTO's Support Center and click on the CADI Starter Kit. There will be a link to the next part in the guide at the end of each page. To get started today, sign up for a free trial and join the global community of SurveyCTO users.